Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring essentials are ready: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and the same account on each device. Open the Home app and sign in if prompted. This links your home to your account. Once done, tap the Add Plus button and choose Add Accessory to scan a QR or enter the setup code. Do this now so devices appear in the app. It speeds pairing and avoids repeated restarts. You'll add each accessory and assign it to a room so the app makes sense. After scanning, name the device clearly, lamp hallway sensor, and choose its room. Next, create scenes that combine multiple devices and set automations that trigger by time, location, or sensor state. Make sure to test scenes and fine-tune device settings like brightness or temperature ranges. This prevents surprises, and finish by testing each scene in automation so you know they run when expected. Verify remote control works by checking your home hub status or using a remote device. This confirms outside access. If a device won't connect, update firmware first, then restart the accessory and hub. Make sure to reset the accessory only if updates and restarts fail. Resetting clears custom settings, but often resolves stubborn pairing errors, ensuring a stable smart home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.